Rishabh, welcome to my channel. And today in this video we are going to discuss about that how could you generate income digitally, what are those platforms or what are those skills that you need to work upon to generate income digitally. So guys, let's begin with freelancing. Yeah, right now for those who don't know what is freelancing, actually for freelancing I can say that if you know any sort of skills, it could be logo designing, it could be any kind of, it could be logo designing, template designing, it could be web designing, web development, okay, any sort of skills if you are upon, so then freelancing is for you. You can just earn through freelancing. That means you have some sort of skills. What you can do is you can perform these kind of skills, and these skills are helpful to some other persons, right? And they are looking for pupils like you who can do work for them, right? So they will pay for you. So that is what called freelance services. You can just do digitally. How? Through freelancing site. You can just go and make a profile on freelancing site. Now this thing is also important. The freelancing site which you are choosing must be proper and better, and this is also a strategy that how to choose a better site for making your profile as a freelancer. So if you want this video, then please mention in the comment section. I will make another video on specifying that what are the websites you can make upon as a freelancer. You can make your profile as a freelancer, right? So I will be explaining that also. Okay, so you understand basic of freelancing. Actually there are two kind of person. You have some sort of services, and one who wanted that services, and that person who wanted the services pay you for that. Okay, right now there comes a freelancing site which will just earn some percentage of whatever income you are earning. About 10%, 20% they will earn, because they are providing you platform. Because they are providing you platform, then they will earn some amount of money, right? They generate revenue from that. Okay, now second skill I will be talking about is dropshipping, guys. Dropshipping, like there are many of the products. Okay, if you are looking for, like suppose you are looking for clothes. Right now in traditional market, what you do, you just go on to the market, just buy some kind of clothes, just watch which clothes is better for you. Oh, this is looking good, right? So yeah, like that you do, just watch out the clothes, that these clothes are better for you. Yeah, these are looking good, right? You buy it traditionally by going to the offline market. But today India or world is going digital. They are trying to buy these products online. It could be tech products, it could be any kind of new technology which is coming. Okay, so they are just going online and buying online. So what a dropshipper do? Actually connect the product user and product provider. They connect both of them. Actually these new strategies, new kind of businesses is some different way of doing traditional businesses, but it is different from traditional business, and it has actually scope, because in your traditional business you have just some amount of audience, okay, only audience of your city. But actually if we are going digitally, you have large audience, you have large amount of target audience, and you have large amount of target audience. Correspondingly your sales will increase, correspondingly your revenue will generate. It will big revenue and big source of income. So that is what dropshipping do, in which you just not need to buy the product to provide services. What you will be doing, you will be making your website where you will be promoting the products which are right now not in stock, but actually you are promoting them. And when some of the orders you will be getting, then what you will be do, you will just order them and drop ship them, drop to the one who is looking for products, who has paid you for the product. Okay, like you are looking for it in bulk. Okay, so you will be getting in lower price on Alibaba.com. like there are many websites, wholesale websites, where you will be getting in lesser prices. Okay, now there is much more amount of target audience, okay, you are trying to reach with. Now you have many orders. What you can do is generate amount of revenue, because you are promoting them at rate of $10, $20, and you are getting at $5, $6. Okay, so revenue can be $4, $6, right? So that is basics of dropshipping. I hope you like it, I hope you understand it. Okay, so do mention in the comment section if you are understanding what is dropshipping, and what is freelancing. Now third point I'm going to talk about is, guys, third skill is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? So right now, if you are influencer, if you have kind of followers, if you have trusted followers, this affiliate marketing is right now mostly for those people who have some sort of network, okay, who has some persons who can trust them, trust their services. Like what you can do is, if you have learned some kind of course, like if I have learned digital marketing and I like it, okay, if I like it, what I will say to my friend, yeah, it's awesome course, bro, just try it once, okay. So if your friend or someone whom you are referring, right, then if he or she is buying with your link, through your link, okay, then you will be getting some amount of money, some percentage of revenue he given to the site, right? So this is basically affiliate marketing. It can be done in many ways. Like if you are a YouTuber, you can just mention it in your description box. And also if you are an influencer, if you are Instagram influencer, social media influencer, then you can also mention in your social media site, because you have trusted followers. This is valid only when if you have trusted followers or trusted persons who just trust you. If they are trusting you, then they will trust your values which you are providing, because you have provided them value. It could be content, any sort of content, right? So try to increase yourself on social media, try to boost your content on social media, so that people will try to connect with you, people will try to attach with you emotionally, right? So this is affiliate marketing, right? I hope you understand affiliate marketing. What you can do is, courses, online courses you can refer, okay, ebooks you can refer, okay. So these are the things which you can refer to any of your network, any person in your network. I hope you understand this point also. Now fourth point we are going to discuss about is blogging. Blogging means sharing your content, your knowledge in the form of text, sharing your knowledge and content in the form of text. And if you are better at writing the content, then blogging is for you, because you can share your feelings, you can share your content, you can share your knowledge through text. If your grammar is best, grammatical errors are almost zero, then it is also good for you, okay. And also you can represent through images and some sort of text. It will be like visualizing. You just you have just seen that whenever you just open any topic on the Google, then there will be some kind of blogs, some kind of websites you see, right? If you search any topic, there will be some kind of links where you open, there will be more information, right? And some sort of ads will be there, right? So advertisements are the way of earning, okay, but the content you will be getting is free, okay, right? I hope you are understanding that what is blog. So what you can do is, you can start writing blog. How would you start? You can start writing blog from bloggers.com, okay. You can just make your site on bloggers.com, and there are many sites also where you can start blogging. You can just check it out. If you want a video, please mention in the comment box. I will take out video on that, okay. Now fifth point is social media management. So guys, you know that social media is increasing rapidly. If you want to make yourself a brand digitally, and if you want to grow digitally, then the most important thing is social media management. If you are understanding that what is SEO, search engine optimization, how could you rank your content, how could you rank your website. So right now this thing is social media management, which can help you out for improving or boosting your content or knowledge to more people's and more audience, right? If you are able to grab the audience attention, then you are able to grab their attention, connected with them, then some sort of content they will buy from you at the time, okay. So this is social media marketing management also, you can say. If you are proper at this, like you are proper at how to increase your views, you know that how to increase the followers, you know that what is the way of ranking keywords, what are the keywords you should use in your blog, what are the keywords you should use in your description box. So these all things are important for managing your social media also. So you can learn this, and also you can earn from this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please mention in the comment section, so that I could make more new videos for you guys. I will be happy about that. So please don't subscribe my channel.